Good afternoon. So here we've got a Citroen Berlingo. It's a wheelchair adaptive vehicle. Okay, so as you can see, you've got two seats in the front. It's a manual 1600 diesel. You've got a single seat in the back with a seat belt. And you have a ramp for the very back. I'll leave that down while I do the rest of it. You've got a second stool. You can, the clamps there to clamp the chair in, make the person safe, secure. Nice car, a specialist vehicle, as you can see. So if you're looking for this sort of thing, then you'll probably be lucky you found this one, as it's only got 30,000 miles on the clock. So 30,700 to be exact. Okay, electric mirrors. You've got a stalk there for your memo and change your radio stations. Your front and rear fog lights are there, and your lights from the other stalk. Then in the centre you've got radio. That's with the key in the ignition. Oh no, it's come up. Yeah, sorry for that. So you've got radio with AM, FM and auxiliary there, look. Okay, and it's got a single CD slot at the top. Coming down from there, you've got your heater control, you've got your air conditioning, your rear demist, front demist. Below that, cigarette lighter, central locking, passenger electric window, driver's electric window. Some cup holders here in the centre, lots of space. Nice clean car, will definitely suit a lot of people. So if you're looking for a wheelchair adaptive vehicle, then give us a call. This will definitely suit your requirements. We can arrange finance to suit your requirements, and we can also take any vehicle in part exchange. So give us a call if you're interested, and we'll see you soon down in Windlesham. Bye for now.